With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.